go.
We're down 450. Let's get to Bob Pisani. Morning, Bob.
Morning, guys. Happy Friday. So look at the PCE today. We had the PPI, CPI stronger. The whole underpinning of the bull rally is based on the idea that the glide path to inflation is lower. Now, not only is it sort of stalling out, the PCE was actually higher. And that's a real problem. So the big issue here is look at this two-year yield. 4.8%. We're heading technically towards 5%. This is the highest since 2007. My mother called and asked about this. Robert, tell me about this two-year yield. How can I invest in it? When your mother starts calling, asking about it, now it's seeping through. Bond yields are significant competition for the stock market right now. It's pulling money away from the stock market. That's a problem. You can blame the Fed, but there's the issue right now. And this is putting a lot of pressure on growth sectors today and all this week. ARC's down about 8% on the week. I mean, ARC's up still about 20% for the year, but you get my point. Semis are weak. Emerging markets are weak when interest rates go up. There's the EEM. Healthcare and consumer staples are a little more stable, but remember, they're generally down because we had a big rally in growth in January, part of February. So they're looking better now, but on a year-to-date basis, they're the underperformers. So very interesting little situation and very frustrating for the bulls right now. Elsewhere, I was at the ETF conference in Miami, the biggest one of the year, and a bunch of us were going to go to see Bruce Springsteen, who was playing down the street, until we saw the price of the tickets. They were astonishing. I don't know if you saw, but Live Nation reported their numbers last night, and these numbers were just off the charts here. Revenues, look at these numbers, up 44%. Full-year revenues, 44%. Attendance was up 24%. And if you think the fans are stopping going to these tickets, like I hesitated going to Bruce Springsteen? No, our research consistently tells us that concerts are a top priority for discretionary spending and one of the last experiences fans will cut back on. Now, obviously, they're very sensitive about this ticket scalping thing that's been going on since the dawn of time, but seems to be particularly egregious recently, and they sort of addressed this. Selling speculative tickets should be illegal, so scalpers cannot use deceptive tactics to trick fans into spending more or buying tickets the seller does not actually have. Good luck with that one, folks. These brokers have been around since the dawn of time, just like coffee brokers and stock brokers and all kinds of brokers that get in between buyers and sellers. The problem with the concert business is very simple: supply and demand. There are, in some small cases, many more fans than there are tickets for people like Taylor Swift, like Beyonce, and like Bruce Springsteen. The answer, unless you want to go to communism, is very simple, Carl. The prices rise to meet the demand. Or if you want another solution, there should be 10 times more shows that Taylor Swift puts on for her fans, or we should have fewer fans. Maybe a few lousy albums would deal with that. But my point here, Carl, is banning ticket brokers seems like a silly idea in a capitalist society. Carl, back to you.